heard of this new product? Sneeze-Its, the perfect thing in a bag. All you need is Cheez-Its and a good sneeze. And then you have a snotty snack surprise. Are those Sneeze-Its? Give me them! See, this happy customer loves my product. Bye-bye. I said bye. Well, enjoy your sneezy snack surprise. Gross.